Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to Go Guzzle Gone guys. I haven't slept really well. I've slept for like 4 hours in good around 36 hours. So isliye I look like this. But don't worry about it. I will be okay. Just that I've woken up. I'll have a cup of coffee and I'll be okay. And the exciting part is today I am in Tanzania, Zanzibar, the very beautiful destination. I'm going to show you around because I'm staying in a resort. Let's see what all activities are there, and also my colleagues will be waiting down for me. So before further ado, let's get started. Guys, decide ये हुआ है कि we all will catch up at the पूल एरिया. बट मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है मेरे नीचे आते ये तूफान कैसे आ गया है. बिल्कुल लिटरली इतनी ज़्यादा तेज़ हवा चल रही है एंड मुझे इन लोगों को ढूंढना भी है. एंड द रिजॉर्ट इज़ प्रीटी ह्यूज. सो लेट्स सी यार, आई एम ट्राइंग माई बेस्ट. आई डोंट नो, आई ऑलवेज कीप रनिंग लेट. ऑलराइट, आई विल सी यू वंस आई फाइंड देम. I'm next to the pool area, but I don't know where are these people. I can't find them. There are two sections of the pool. The resort is so huge, it's so difficult to catch up, and these buggers have not made sure the like a proper meeting point. So they said like maybe pool area, but I can't see them. Are finally Baba. Now I find her. I'm coming. So guys, I finally found. Please introduce yourself.
Finally someone came. My name is...
Where are you from?
I'm from Malaysia.
Yay!
Indian.
Yeah, she looks totally Indian, guys. And can
My
you see?
grandmother is from India.
Oh, really? This I didn't know as well. So she's having coffee. I think I'm also going to order some coffee and we'll chill here for some time because Mr. Kamil had called me several times. 4:15, and then he's disappeared. I don't know where the hell is he.
I went up to call him
Huh.
and it was like engaged. Maybe he was
This ass has put the receiver on the side and slept. Telling you
No, but
these
he
cheeky
called
tricks.
me. No, he called me at 3 because I overslept.
Oh my god. Guys, let's figure this out, yeah? So, what's your name?
Hamad.
Hamad is here and he's the one who will tell us how the kayaking is gonna be. He speaks little lesser English. So, what time is it going to shut?
Shots.
Like, closes.
I think 6.
6 o'clock, so before it gets dark. So, Noor, we have to literally buckle up. She's relaxing here. Alright, so let's call them and then get on the toes to do some kayaking activity. I'm pretty excited to do it. Hamad say bye.
Okay.
ठीक है. So guys, we waited enough for these asses, I mean these boys, but they did not come. We tried to find them on Instagram. Check out my Instagram as well, guys. Yeah, the link is right there. Okay, please. And now we have decided we'll walk to this kayaking place because it will close in some time and we don't want to miss this opportunity. So yes, just eating cookies, finding kayaking, and we walked all the way.
Energy for the...
I know, we need some kilocalories, no? Alright, see you at the kayaking station, guys.
आ गए फिर से करने हंगामा, बोरिंग लम्हों को करते गुलाबी, जश्न रुकने न देंगे जरा भी, अपना फेमस है याद आना.
So guys, we're just gonna sign up for kayaking and it's a complimentary service because we are flight attendants, okay? Now we're just going through the brochure and find out the best package for us and let's decide and go kayaking. I know. So guys, this is Captain Abdullah and he's the one who's going to be our coach and trainer for kayaking.
Okay.
So are we ready, Captain?
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah.
Are you ready, Noor?
Yeah.
Ready. Let's go. This is a kayak station and now we are just following Captain Abdullah. Noor is already very excited and we just get down, get harnessed and start kayaking. We are not missing the boys at all. Huh, you wish. I mean, they wish.
इतना फेमस है याराना अपने संग तू भी आ जाना छोड़ दुनिया से शर्माना जोरों जोरों से तू चिल्लाना everything's gonna be cool.
What is this first step? We have to select the kayak. Which kayak?
Yeah, this kayak, this one.
This blue. It will come nice in my camera.
One people will stay here. They will kayak this.
Okay.
And another this there. This kayak is there.
Okay.
This two people did it.
We want two, please. Two people.
Another kayak over there. This is two people. Just see which more. Which is coming here. You bring it.
All right.
What do you
Okay.
say? I'm okay.
Yeah. So we will take the two, right?
Yeah.
All right. Done. Done. Done.
I don't want to go alone.
Me too. Last time, Captain, I got stuck in the middle, and the trainer was telling me, "Come back, do this." I couldn't do it.
Okay, no problem.
So yeah.
No problem.
Thank you, Captain. Guys, we have decided to take a couple kayaking. Okay, so it's like two people together.
We don't get stuck in the middle.
Yeah, last time I did, so I'm really scared. So we are waiting for people to come back, and then we take a two-seater kayak and then get into the ocean. Swadika.
Hi.
So we finally found few of our. This is the Thai beauties here, and they're also gonna do kayaking, so it's gonna be even more fun. Let's do it. We have a very limited kayak boats, like for couples together, and since we already reserved one and we are waiting for one to arrive, Jerry is a bit scared, and she's asking Captain that is there any way that kayak can turn upside down? So cutely and nicely. She's ready with the life jacket. Are you excited, Jerry?
Very much.
Very much. It's not a skydiving, so it's okay. We'll manage.
But it's gonna go upside down.
No, no.
I will leave my phone. Oh.
See, gadget friendly. Oh yeah, take your phone. How will you click pictures otherwise?
What if it's upside down?
No, she's not worried about her, but she's worried about her phone. That what if the phone gets into the water? I can see. Yes, 21st century guys. Different ways to worry. Yalla yalla, habibi, habibi.
Captain, bless me. Alright, I'm ready.
Push her. Push. Push. Woo! The baby's out.
First pedal, then you tell
Very cute, Jerry. I'm zooming in the video. Don't worry.
Hi.
Titanic is coming to you.
Come back.
Come back. Okay, guys. Julian, I have flown with her before. Auli, she is Indian. Made in India. Boat has arrived, and this is the time Noor and we're going to hop onto this kayak and get excited. Say, how was your experience on kayak?
The experience was pretty good because I wasn't so scared because I was with one of the tour guides.
Uh-huh.
I felt pretty
But
good.
we thought really you drifted to Dar es
I
Salaam.
thought that I literally, I was just on my phone on Instagram and then I saw I was in the middle of nowhere and he was
Wow.
talking to his girlfriend and I was just like, we need to get back. The waves is too
Yes. So now it's our turn after her. Let's see. I hope we don't go anywhere else. We stay in Zanzibar, right? Let's go.
I want to start YouTube.
Oh, amazing. And I'll see you there on the comment section.
Yeah, definitely, for sure.
We're gonna start with the kayak. So first, safety first. Somebody is taking this.
We have an upcoming YouTuber here as well. She'll be starting her channel soon. All
You
right.
want me to go on that
Well,
one,
Oh my god, it's so suffocating. Noor, that's
you
it.
can lose it. Ah no.
Okay, your turn. Settling down on the kayak, yaar, I'm scared now.
Yeah, I came
Because I have to take a front seat since I have to vlog as well. I'll try my best to record, okay? Oh shit. Sorry, can I say that? Yes, I can. Noor, are you settled?
Yes.
Okay. You are the only one who's going to paddle. No, I'm just joking.
I will leave you.
No, no. Ah!
Are we happy? Are you okay? My friend is already wet. Lucky that my hands are wet. Thank you, Jeremy. Yes, I know.
Guys, we are in the middle of ocean. Woo! Noor, I'm feeling so happy and secured. Okay, now it's time for me to kayak because I don't want her to just get tired all the way while, and my phone is also getting wet. But I'm so excited in the middle of ocean. Yeah, let's go. We are going towards these. Oh shit. Okay, hold on. Shit. These big boat is our target. We're gonna go and hit them and come back.
यार उल्लू बना दे खुल के तू मुस्कुराना छोड़ फिक्रों की घंटी बजाना दिल की ढोलक बजाना
सीधी होठों पे ले आना मौज मस्ती हो रोजाना जोश कितना है दिखलाना जोरों जोरों से तो चिल्लाना
Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola, everything's gonna be Coca-Cola, Coca-Cola.
You speak Hindi now a bit. Do you know this 90s song सोचो कि झीलों का शहर हो?
I know.
Okay, sing the song.
छोड़िया बोल कंगना
Ting ting ding.
हाय
बस ज़्यादा मत का copyright लग जाएगा. हाँ, copyright. Don't sing. We are done with kayaking and Captain Abdullah wants to say bye. We'll miss you and it was great. Thank you so much. Thank you.
so much.
Where were you?
I've been here since 4 o'clock looking for you guys.
I will kill you.
I was with the captain on that side and he was just like, where are they? We've been waiting here.
My God, yes.
ना राष्ट्रीय पशु केंद्र भेज देना चाहिए ऐसे खुले में ये ज्यादा समय जीवित नहीं रह पाएगा
Can we please agree that you're lying?
So I agree that they are conning me into lying.
Because I can't believe we were all the time here and it's on records.
It's a fact. Women lie. Men get
How come
caught.
we couldn't lie?
I'm not getting caught, right? Because I'm not lying. I was sitting right there, right?
Liar,
there,
liar.
there. There is my towel still. How you doing?
As you can see guys, I'm back in my room and actually because we were in the pool so entire shots and everything got wet, so we're just gonna change and then we have a plan for dinner, so we will just dress up for that and that's it. Yeah, I'll just quickly change and get back to you. Guys, I'm all set and ready to grab some dinner. I am ready and they must be waiting for me as well. So I'll quickly go run and I'll show you how the delicacies look like. And yeah, I know it's a bit dark. So see you straight away in the buffet, guys. Alright guys, so we are in the buffet area. No, you look very nice. She looks nice, guys. Let me know in the comment, guys. Okay, so now we're just gonna hog on to something and Daniel is shy and sneaking around. See? So yeah, we're just gonna have dinner. And she'll get back to you once our plates are sorted and everything. Yeah.
अपना फेमस है याद आना अपने संग तू भी आ जाना छोड़ दुनिया से शर्माना जोरों जोरों से तू चिल्लाना.
Guys, so we are done with the dinner and this is the end of our video. I hope you did enjoy this video with us, and if you did like the video, then
Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
to our channel, which is
Go Guzzle
Gone. Love you all. Ciao, hasta la vista.